Hello viewers, I'm doing a Pokemon playthrough of the original game, Pokemon Ruby. I'm not doing Sapphire, but I'll tell you what Pokemon you can find in Sapphire. So, if you want to see it, or if you want to see the video, comment, subscribe, inside the comment section below, tell me what starter Pokemon you want. You have to comment and like if you want me to do the starter Pokemon that you want. The first comment I see will be with the starter Pokemon will be the first. Will be the starter Pokemon that I choose. So you better hurry up, comment, subscribe, and hope you'll be the first one to choose the starter Pokemon for me. Peace.